Hello everyone and welcome to my channel DIY with Aurea, and welcome to another DIY challenge on Be Wreathable. I've got 6 amazing theme projects lined up for you and I can't wait to share them with you. From fun decor to sweet creations, there's something for everyone. So stick around and let's dive into our first project. So for the first project, I am going to be using this yellow acrylic paint, and it is from Apple Barrel. And then of course I couldn't find my painter's tape, so I wind up using Scotch tape, and this held pretty good. It didn't bleed, but even if it would have bleed, it was okay because I'm going to be adding something between both of the colors. And then of course, once that was done, I came back and I used the canary yellow acrylic paint, also from Apple Barrel, because I just it needs to be matching the ribbon that I'm going to be placing. And of course I'm going to be using some black acrylic paint, or black chalk paint I should say, in the bottom section. Just watch and see. This is going to turn out so pretty. And of course, as you guys know, this is all about bees. Once everything was dry, I just went on and I removed the tape, placed it back on the top section, and then on the bottom section I'm going to be using the black chalk paint in the bottom, and I will be giving it only one coat. This is when I noticed that yellow looked too orangey, so I went on and I used the canary yellow. I purchased this beautiful thick ribbon at Dollar Tree, so I'm going to be cutting the border off. I'll cut both of the borders, and then I'm going to be folding it in 3, and I will be tucking it in with some hot glue. I found these stickers at the Dollar Tree and I purchased them for 10 cents. The Dollar Tree was going to move, so they needed to get rid of everything, and I purchased, oh my goodness, so many beautiful things, and this is one of them. I'm going to be taking 2 pieces of these sticker, placing it right on top, and of course this is a bee theme, so I have 2 little bitty bees, and I am going to be placing them wherever I think it looks nice. And look at this, this is so pretty. I am so excited because I'm in love with this. I'm not sure, but I have 6 projects for you guys and I like them all. I usually say, yeah, this is my favorite, but I don't have a favorite today. I just don't have a favorite. But hey, you guys can let me know in the comment section which is your favorite. So I have this polka dot black and yellow ribbon, also from Dollar Tree, guys, and I am going to be gluing it right here on the neck of this cutting board. This is absolutely gorgeous. I must say that I think I'm gonna decorate my kitchen with bees this year. Yes, indeed. And now let's go ahead and put a hanger. And the wire that I cut from that ribbon, that's the same piece of wire that I am going to be using, which is the border of the ribbon. And look at how pretty this turned out. I like it. I hope you like it too. Let's talk about our second project. I have this little picture frame. I think I purchased this at Dollar Tree. I'm not even sure about this. Have you guys seen this one at the Dollar Tree? Let me know in the comment section. I would really love to know. After removing this word, I came and I sanded, and of course I'm going to be giving it 1 coat, or 2 coats rather, with white chalk paint, and I'm going to do that to the entire frame. And here it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it to the side. In the meantime, I'm going to be working with this. I found this in the garden section of course, the famous Dollar Tree. I'm taking out the chain and I am going to be removing this little hook right here. So I'm going to have to cut it off because it was a little difficult. It was really stuck in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. I'm going to cut both pieces. And then of course, I'm going to come in with the same acrylic yellow paint and I am going to be giving it 3 coats. And to this little fellow, I went on and I added some hot glue on both of those holes, and then I came in with some white chalk paint and I just went on and I painted it. I'm also going to be gluing over here 4 wood blocks only because I want this to look elevated. And of course, I'm going to be adding more hot glue so like that we could go ahead and place it right here on the frame. I'm going to be doing the same thing to be humble. Some hot glue on both of these corners and I'm going to be placing it kind of like tilted. This is so pretty. And of course I have 2 more beads and I'm going to be gluing them right where the holes are at. And this is it. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Of course, I'm going to be adding some yellow ribbon in the back. So like that, you know, we could have something pretty to hang it on the wall. And then of course, this will be it. I hope you have enjoyed this second project. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. For this next project, I'm recycling everything I'm using here. This wood box, I'm going to be giving it 2 entire coats with yellow acrylic paint, and then these little mushrooms, I found these in a little package at Dollar Tree, and I am painting 4 of them. They are going to be the legs. And here it is, all nice and painted. Look at how gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead. I have a bee from one of these stickers from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be cutting only the bee. And then once it's done, then I'm gonna go ahead and place it right over here. Look at how pretty this looks. And of course, all I have to do now is add some flowers and this project is completed. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. For our next project, I have these wood beads. I'm going to be painting them with black chalk paint. Once this is done, I'm going to be putting it to the side. And I also have this little plaque, this wood round plaque. This one I'm going to be painting with the color yellow, and I will be giving it 1 coat front and back. I also made a tassel off camera, and I already have baker's twine already attached to the tassel. So I'm going to be putting a yellow, a black, and a white, and I'm going to be repeating that several times, creating a garland. And now it's time to attach the little plaque to the garland. I'm just going to go ahead and make 3 different knots, and then of course I have a little daisy, and I'm not a daisy but a sunflower, and I got these at the Dollar Tree. I found this at the bottom of my stash. I did not buy this year. I'm gonna go ahead and cut one, and then with plenty of hot glue I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right on top of that plaque. And then the little bee that you see there, I'm also gonna be applying it right to the sunflower with more hot glue. And of course, I hope you have enjoyed this simple project. This was nice and easy. This mason jar I've had forever and a day. It is time to go ahead and decorate it. I am going to be taking all the embellishments out, and then I'm going to be giving it 2 coats actually 3 coats to the entire mason jar with the same canary yellow. And this is the initial to my last name. So I glue back together the metal section with plenty of hot glue, and then with the same ribbon I just fold it in 3, and then I'm going to be gluing it right there on the neck of the mason jar with, of course, plenty of hot glue. With both of these ribbons, I'm going to be creating a simple bow, but it's going to look really nice. This is absolutely gorgeous. These combination of ribbons are absolutely gorgeous. I just added a thinner ribbon in the middle just to disguise that middle section there, and I've tucked it in with plenty of hot glue. And then of course with more hot glue, I'm going to be placing it right on top of the neck of the mason jar. And I usually don't show you how I make my bowls because I'm not the best bowl maker, but this one came out really pretty. And in the bottom I have some transferable stickers that I also found in the bottom of my stash, and all I am going to be doing is creating 2 lines in the bottom. This is going to turn out really pretty. I am totally in love with this one as well. And with the same thin yellow ribbon, I created a hook so we could hang it on the wall. I thought the bottom section looked pretty empty, so I just placed these transferable stickers. I think it gave it a nice touch. And today, my dear friend, it is a DIY challenge, and it is hosted by Christine, Divine Designs, and the co-host is Tammy from Happiness Created. I'm going to be leaving the links down to both of their channels down in my description box along with a playlist. Please make sure to go ahead and visit them and give them lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking to their channels. They have a lot more inspiration. And here's the final review. So I'm going to go ahead and create a garland with this beaded garland that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using the same 2 ribbons. So I'm going to create a bow right now. Now that the bow is completely done, with more hot glue, I'm gluing it right to the beaded garland with plenty of hot glue, of course, because that's what we do in this channel. I'm going to be cutting pieces of this floral, and then I'm just going to start placing them around the garland. And I'll be doing that with plenty of hot glue. These metal beads here that you see, I found them at Dollar General. So I'm going to be placing one on either side of the wreath. Okay guys, so now I'm adding a hook so we could put it on the wall, and then I came back off camera and I added some more floral, and then this will be it, my dear friends. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget that I would love for you to subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to visit that playlist for more inspiration. And then I will see you in my next video. You guys take care. Adios.